Moringa Monger here. Tonight's recipe is Pollo con crema with moringa, which is going to be topped with our moringa salsa verde, which is cooking in the background there. And so you need roughly 2 to 3 breasts boiled in water over an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours at a low boil so it shreds up nicely. And we have over here, this is going to go in the saute pan, some chopped serrano peppers, some tomato and Vidalia onion, and with a little bit of moringa leaf, and sprinkled with paprika and Himalayan pink salt. So that's going to go into the pan and saute with some olive oil. And we have over here, see, we have some olive oil over here, so we'll get that going and we'll be back as soon as we get that ready to go. Now that we have everything in the saute pan ready for the next process of adding our shredded chicken, which we've previously shredded, added a touch of fresh dried moringa leaf, some paprika, and we're also going to add a little bit of fresh chopped organic garlic, and that gets added to the sauteed. And the final thing that you're going to need to do is mix this up here. Mix your shredded chicken in nicely, and a couple of good scoops of your, we're using La Mexican style sour cream, but you use whatever you prefer, and just mix that real well into that. That's the crema part of it. So we have the moringa pollo con crema here. So we'll mix all this together and then cover it and let that simmer for another about 20 to 30 minutes and get all really mixed in good and gel all the flavors together. And we'll be back with a finished product. So we have our finished product here. We have our pollo con crema that's made with some corn tortillas and topped with our new moringa salsa verde recipe. There we have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe for more moringa recipes coming up. Next one in line, I believe, is going to be moringa chili. So, like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching.